Hi.
How are you? Welcome to Kids Explore Robotics.
Thank you. So nice to be here.
So started Kids Explore Robotics 3 years ago. Actually, it was my son's idea.
Was it?
Yeah, and Carmel was one of the areas where I got a really good traction. I got a lot of support in the community, so might as well start here.
That's wonderful. We get a lot of bright kids here, so I think it's going to be an incredible match.
I wanted to create a space where kids can truly explore, discover, and just tinker with it and create their own things. So we wanted to design something that kids can actually learn with right from the get-go, not something they just simply put together just for fun. So this was actually one of the first robots that I helped design. And as you can see, everything is completely visible to the kids.
Yes.
There's nothing hidden behind the scenes. Relatively simple design, and that was another thing. We wanted to keep the design simple, so they don't need to have anything fancy at all. They just need to source some electronic components, literally chop up some woods with adults' help, and they can build their own robot. I mean, that was the beauty about all of our designs.
I love the idea of making this visible.
Yeah, exactly.
Because it just automatically takes away the intimidation piece.
Exactly.
And that's just super smart.
Yeah. So as I was mentioning, while robotics is the main thing we do, understanding about other areas of STEM is really important. And we wanted to do it in a way that kids really enjoy it and it's more hands-on, more fun. We also wanted to create what we call a Tinker Zone. This is something kids, when they're here, they can play with all of this. This one is dedicated for math. They can learn about the money. They can learn about the fractions. They can learn about simple arithmetic using that scale. They can do balancing things. You can learn about the measurements. There are lots of different things they can learn on with just simple hands-on activities.
Great.
My plan is to have more robots out here so kids can actually play with them, see how the movement works, what different robots do. They can pick them up, put them on the floor, let them just kind of drive around. They're just going to have fun, yeah.
I can see a bunch of little friendly, eager faces here just starting to take stuff apart and put it back together, right?
They might, yeah.
So
they might.
The amount of knowledge a child can build on here is amazing. And just to have this is only going to make our schools better.
Yeah.
The kids' futures better. So thank you for that.
Absolutely. Yeah, I mean, STEM is really important no matter what you end up doing.
Yeah.
The kind of things they learn here or any STEM program, it's going to teach them problem solving. It's going to teach them to be thinking more critically.
Right.
It's going to teach them collaboration skills because they're going to have to work with the team. So all those skills, whether they pursue a STEM career or not, those are tangible skills and you can basically use them anywhere, no matter what they end up doing. I want to thank you very much for taking the time to visit us. As you can tell, I think we got a lot going on and we want to make sure that all the kids in the community can take advantage of it. So we're here.
Thank you for investing. Thank you for bringing your incredible idea here. I can't imagine a parent who wouldn't have a child who wouldn't just dig everything that you're doing
really
here.
Appreciate it.
It's going to, spur curiosity and set them up for a really fantastic career, whatever they choose.
Definitely.
So if you're a mom, a dad, a grandma, or grandpa, or just curious about robotics in general, come here. See the amazing space that's available. Lay some hands on, learn a little bit like I just did, and help this entrepreneur in our community.